In this video, I'll show you how you can add Amazon affiliate links to YouTube so you can start earning money from your YouTube channel. So first you need to find a product that you're going to recommend. To do that, go to Amazon.com and just simply search for a product. So I'll search for phone case, and let's say we want to recommend a phone case here. You won't make much money from that because it's a low ticket item, but this is for example. So you will click on the phone case that you want to recommend. Then you should see this box appear, which is the Amazon Associates site stripe, and here we can get our link. Now if you don't see this, you need to make sure you're logged in on the Amazon Associates backend. So search on Google for Amazon Associates and click on the first website, and just make sure you're logged in. Now if you still don't see this, you then want to go to hover over your email, go to account settings, and then when you're here, go to Associates site stripe options, and then you should be able to turn this on. So this might be disabled, so if you're having issues, maybe turn this off and on, and you should then see the box here where you can find your link. So now we've got site stripe available, we can then click get link and get text link. You can get a shortened link or a full link. I recommend shortened links for YouTube, so we can copy that. And now we've got our affiliate link to this phone case here. Now if we go to YouTube, we can go ahead and go to the channel icon in the top right hand corner, then go to YouTube Studio. And then when you're in your YouTube Studio, go to content, and you can then choose where you want to place this link. So choose a video, go to details, and then you can simply go ahead and add this link to the description. So what you would do then is simply paste in the link, and you could maybe say something like iPhone case. And that's all you would have to do. You can then save those changes. This link will become a clickable link, and it will redirect to the product that you recommended. When someone buys, you'll then earn some money.